Imagine you are on the beach drinking a pina colada. It's a couple hours after sunrise. You've got an amazing view of the ocean, and the waves are gently folding in on the shore. Here and there, the shadow of a seagull swoops across your leg, or the open book in your lap. The beach is practically empty, aside from the passing by of morning joggers. You look behind you, and you see your best friend or spouse headed your way with a cooler that you know is full of drinks and sandwiches. Life couldn't get any better. When you imagined this setting, did you see a picture of it in your mind? Did you see the beach? Did you see the seagull's shadow swooping by? How about your spouse or friend coming with the goods? If you pictured anything that was described in your mind, you saw the image through the mind's eye. The mind's eye is a faculty of visual memory or imagination that allows us to create mental imagery in our mind. It is our mind's way of visualizing the things of our imagination. Any image or picture you create in your mind is seen through your mind's eye, like an apple or a watermelon or a tree. And while it's fascinating that we can conjure up images in our mind so easily, that alone isn't what makes the mind's eye, also known as the third eye, so special. The true significance of this mental faculty is in the fact that when we picture things in our mind, whether it be a setting or an object, the same neural pathways fire in our brain that would fire if we had the experience in real life. For example, imagine your favorite meal. Really think about it in detail, and being on a plate right in front of you. If you do this clearly enough, it won't take long before your stomach is growling. You may even start to smell it. This is due to the mind's eye causing your brain to fire as if the plate of food was actually in front of you. The mind's eye is our mind's ability to create mental imagery by visualizing the thoughts of our imagination. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'm sorry if I made you hungry.